Welcome to the Alaska, Santa Fe, and Pacific's Model Railroad. This is one of two S2 engines I bought brand new from Mr. Muffins, but it fried the first day I got it, so I sent it back to Mr. Muffins twice, and it came back again and failed. This is the wire harness that came out of my S2 switcher that I got returned from Mr. Muffins after twice at his repair efforts. As you can see, there's a purple wire right in the middle of the picture that's got bare insulation. That's the way it came back from Mr. Muffins. You can also see, if you look closely, I can't focus any closer, there's a burnt pin right there on that connector. And it was just a rat's nest. So I got it back after 2 times at Mr. Muffins for repair. These are just some pictures showing the wire and the stuff that was messed up. But I contacted Atlas, and they said I should not have sent it back to Mr. Muffins, that by sending it to him, I lost my warranty, and it didn't get repaired anyway. So they said, next time, if you get an engine that needs repair, send it back to Atlas. So I took it upon myself to repair this engine. I ordered the new wire harness from Atlas, put it all back together, and this is what we get. A good running, clean running engine, like new all over again. Thanks for watching.